Those have to be redfish. Got him. Those are redfish. Okay, I got it now. Big redfish too. Oh, come on. Dump that. Okay. Yes. Nice redfish. Very nice redfish. Yes! Okay. Yes. Okay. Okay. Oh. Guys, I'm not sure you saw that. I'm looking in the water right now. Let me see if you can see this. There's a ton of these little, I don't know what they are, look like little shrimp. Tiny little things running around the water. And I keep seeing these big boils along the bank. So what I'm thinking is we're having some kind of hatch in the marsh and the draining water is pushing them all out. And I'm seeing these redfish just waking along the bank, catching them. Right now it's a day before this tournament I have for the Lone Star series. Kind of scouting around and see what we can find, and he's not a giant, but he's a solid first fish. All right, guys, 26 3/4 inch, 7.5 pound redfish. That's a good one to start. Honestly, I'm looking for around 16, 17 pounds to really be in contention because some of these guys down here are real hammers. Really good fish though. All right, big buddy, you get out of here. Got him. Oh my. Guys, that's the second time I broke my line over here. That one actually broke at the braid. That felt like a good fish. Okay, so I think I have my game plan for the morning, so. Dang. That's the second time I broke off, and I haven't broken off that much in a while. But it's good, at least I know these fish are kind of hanging around right here. That felt like a big one too. Got him. Felt like a good one too. Oh, don't go to that crab trap. Shoot straight to the top. Right there. Oh God. Oh, I caught him in the chin. That's what it was. Still another solid fish. All right, okay. This gives me confidence. These are two solid redfish right here, but caught in the chin. There we go, guys. Another solid redfish right there. I think now we're gonna leave this pattern alone. Let me give you guys a little breakdown. We've been fishing this spot for maybe like 30 minutes. Had 4 bites, 2 landed fish, 2 breakoffs. So we're gonna leave this hole alone, let them kind of hang around, go look at something else. All right, guys, so this last fish right here is 7 1/4. So I had a 7.5 and a 7 1/4. So that puts us around 14 3/4. So that's not a bad weight. You know, I'm looking for about 15, 16 pounds, but that just means we don't get skunked. So we're gonna leave this hole alone and go look at something else. All right, guys, so right now it's 8:07. We're still trying to find a little bit newer area just to have a backup plan. So my plan is I'm gonna fish. The tide's gonna be going out pretty much all morning. Slacks up around 10 or 11. And these big reefs right here really are good on a slack tide, or when the tide's barely moving. When it's kind of running like this, it's real hard for these fish to stay up and eat. I can see them down there, but they're not feeding just yet. So my plan is to fish points and drains until the water kind of slacks up and come back and hit these big reefs. So we're gonna see what we can do. Hopefully, if we pull 15 pounds a day, I'll be all right. For trout, I mean, yeah, there he is. There he is, yep, there he is. That's him, yeah. But see, that's what I was doing over here earlier. I mean, just sitting there, they were just thumping it. All right, boys, hooked up big again. Yeah, got a couple buddies over here just hanging around. We're just talking and decided to make a cast out there and got smoked. This feels good. Hey, that's part of it, dude. That's the fun part right there. A fish is twice as fun in a kayak. Like a Chinese fire drill going on, huh? Oh yeah, this is a good one. Oh yeah, that's a good one. Come on, buddy. Come here, buddy. Oh yeah, that's a good one. That might be him. That might be him. That might be him, boys. All right, I come here tomorrow. Yeah. You sorry something. Dude. Those 26s were almost 8 pounds. So I feel like if someone catches like a perfect fish, that sucker liable to be 10 pounds, dude.
What's a perfect fish?
27 3/4.
27 3/4.
That's a perfect money fish right there for you.
Well, y'all can't go over slot, can you?
No.
If you tag him, you can't bring him?
No. In a tournament, that sucker has to be within the 20 to 28 inch.
That's a pretty fish right there.
Let's see. How big are you, buddy? See, this one right here is 27 and a half. All right, guys, right there, 27 and a half, 8-pound red. We just broke the 15 mark. I think we're almost close to 16 pounds. That's what we're really gonna need tomorrow. And I think we have a game plan today. So we're gonna try to see what we can do here. He's a beautiful fish. We're gonna let him go though. Got him. Yes. Okay. Oh God. Okay. I didn't even feel this one hit it, guys. He just kind of picked it up. Yeah, this was liable to be a bull. Oh yeah, big bull. Oh no, you sorry sucker. That was my chance right there. Come on, buddy. There we go. Whew, boys. This is a big one. This is liable to be a 30. Okay, yeah, we gotta get the bogues for that one. 15 pounds. Right there, guys, check that out. Beautiful redfish right there. We're gonna let him go. Let's see how long he is first. Well, guys, he's over 32, that's for sure, because he's hanging about 6 inches over my board, and it only goes up to 32. That's a beautiful redfish right there. Let's get him back in the water. Thank you so much, big guy. Look at that, guys. Beautiful redfish. Oh, shit. Let's see my boat is. Get out of here. Oh, all right. Got him. Oh my God. Oh yeah, there's liable to be another bull here. All right, guys, hooked up again here. That fish hit weird. He hit like kind of under my boat and then just kind of ran under it. He's heavy. Ooh, good fish, guys, good fish. Real good fish. Oh man, if he's not an over, he's right there, boys. Oh, he picked up a crab. Wait, what did he pick up? He threw up something. Oh yeah. All right, boys, check this fish out. Oh yeah, that's a good fish. Right there, guys, that's what you want right there. If he's like right there, he's right there. Let's see. That's about a timing deal. Easy, buddy. Buddy, calm down. Easy, bud. Oh, heartbreaker. Yep, no way. All right, guys. What you gotta do, you gotta play with these big ones to find the real one, the right ones. But he's 28 3/4, a little bit too big, but right size we want. Gotta dog it. Bigger, too. I bet you're about 9 pounds. Stop. 8.5 pound, guys. That's really what we needed. He needs to be about 3/4 of an inch shorter. Beautiful fish though. We're gonna get him back. Thanks, buddy. Get out of here. There he is. That feels like a small one. Oh, okay. Oh no, he's small. Come on, Mom, take home. Hey, knock it off. Okay, there we go. All right. All right, guys, got a little eater here. My mom asked me to take a couple redfish home, and I was gonna take home a bunch of little, like 20 inchers, so this might be one for them. Easy, buddy, relax. All right, that's a nice one. All right, guys. 23 3/4, almost 23 or 24. Nice redfish right there. That'd be first one to put in the box right there. So far, I think I got my game plan together. It's right around 10 o'clock right now, so we're gonna see if we can catch a couple of more eater fish for Mom, and we'll call it a day. So far, I wouldn't say confident, but I have a game plan, so I feel better.